Hi guys, in this video we're gonna see how to print a month's calendar. So to print a calendar, we have to import the library calendar. So we have to type import calendar. Now we have to define the month and the year. So let's say month is equal to September for 9. So we type 9 and the year is equal to, for example, 2022. Now print, and inside the brackets we type calendar, then a full stop, then a month, then we type month, and then open and close brackets and year, comma, month. Now let's run the program. As you can see, I have a calendar of the month September in year 2022. Now we can change the month accordingly. For example, July. Let's run this. Okay, you can see the calendar for July. So this is how we can print a calendar in Python. Thank you for watching. Take care.